Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. That means in this type of inequality there are two or more inequalities given in the two variable or in one variables, and we try to find the solution of this type of variables. Now solution of this type of inequalities, first we find, that means the first step, we find the all corresponding equations to the inequalities. Now in the second, we draw the graph of all equations on same plane, on same graph or same plane. In the third step, we put 0, 0 in each inequalities and check which satisfied to the statement of inequalities. If satisfied, that equality will be true, statement of that equality will be true, then shaded towards the origin, and if not satisfied, then outside toward to the origin. Means in the fourth, we shaded towards the origin for true, and outside from the origin when it not satisfied. Those region we will find the darkest, then that region known as a solution of system of linear inequalities. Those region which will be darkest. Suppose here this is a plane and this is the origin. Suppose there are three type of lines. Find here I like this. Suppose this. There are three lines, and if all inequalities satisfied the statement with respect to origin, then shaded of region will be like this. For this line, this will be shaded, and for this line, this will be shaded. So this region O, A, B, C is known as solution of system of linear inequalities. Now in the next video, we will take numerical problem related to this topic.